Safety for me is my friends and family.
For me, my safety is when support and caring.
Safety for me is being in my room, listening to music.
Safety for me is being with Shiraz.
Safety for me is being with Seb.
I feel safe around my family.
I feel safe at my grandma's house.
I feel safe at my house.
I feel safe when listening to my music.
I feel safe at home.
Skips and lollies, a bag of chips.
You're like an adult version of myself.
Drunkard cousins make an atmosphere. I wish you lived just a little near. Garden parties, gazebos full, singing Ed Sheeran songs with nowhere cold. The shape of you is the shape of me, 'cause when with you I'm so happy.
Ariana Grande, Beyonce who? You're like my duvet, I cuddle up too. It's cold outside, it's winter storm. I'm safe and protected, you keep me warm.
We created this song to make others understand what is safety.
For everyone, not only young people.
And we kind of went around, did some little interviews and got others to say where they feel safe and why.
And how we made the song is we got young people together and we got them to tell us their safety, and with them little words we put them all together and we created the song.
How safe did you feel today?
I'm very good and pretty good knowing that I was going to come here today.
Why do you feel safe around your friends?
Because they all care for me.
Where do you feel safe?
With my friends or at home.
With who?
Friends. Yeah.
How does your friends make you feel safe?
They make me feel safe because I know I can trust them and I know that they are not bad people.
What makes you feel safe when you're here?
Being around other people that like this sort of stuff, like being with a certain set of people, not loads of strangers.
My definition of safe is probably when you're around people or around someone or around a place that you feel really comfortable in and just relaxed and not pressured at all.
The word safe means that there is no harm around me or anywhere else.
The street is not safe at night or day.
Both, really.
Do you walk alone in the community?
No, I don't walk alone because I don't feel safe, so I walk with people I'm comfortable, like my friends and family.
Where I feel safe. Of course in the youth hub with other people that helps me out, and in block 67 because I enjoy it here.
Youth Hub made me feel safe because they accept me for who I am, and I know that if I need to talk to someone, they are there for me.
Skips and lollies, a bag of chips. You're like an adult that's super hip. Drunk in cars and make an atmosphere. I wish you lived just a little bit near. Garden party, gazebo's full. Singing Ed Sheeran songs, we know we cool. The shape of you is the shape of me. Cause when I'm with you, I'm so happy. Hey, so happy.